Behavioural science tells us that offering a reward is a really effective way to get people working towards a goal or idea, and that small rewards can drive massive behavioural changes. From a business perspective, rewards are a powerful tool for influencing consumer behaviour. We love playful interaction at Kakapo Labs, and we wanted to bring rewards into the mix. In order to have a way to dispense rewards automatically, we bought a capsule vending machine from eBay and replaced the coin mechanism with an internet-enabled, electric motor-driven mechanism which we made ourselves. As Valentine's Day was approaching and ChatGPT mania was in full swing, we thought it would be fun to spread some love by requiring people to interact with the machine through text-based chat to give rewards for compliments. The result was our love machine. We wanted to create a device that could be easily used in public spaces, so our relatively small and self-contained machine was ideal. Users scanned a QR code on the front of the machine to open WhatsApp. The rather needy love machine then flirted with the user and brazenly demanded compliments in exchange for a tasty reward. We used ChatGPT's AI to decide what was a compliment and therefore whether a reward should be dispensed. On its first public outing, people told us that the experience was fun, engaging and unique.
We use ChatGPT on my course as well, like for other things, just like having intellectual conversations. So this is like really cute. It's a good way to spread like joy.
Their feedback led us to think about what we could create in the future. Following the success of the Love Machine, we were approached by Altered Designs, a retail space design studio, to create a fun, interactive machine to attract visitors to their booth at the Visual Merchandise and Display trade show. They wanted something eye-catching that could produce a souvenir for visitors to take away. The result was Olga, an AI-powered fortune teller, complete with moving eyebrows, colourful LEDs, and a swanky chic of Perspex glasses. Our first idea for Olga was to create a guessing game where we would use WhatsApp and ChatGPT to generate random retail-based words for users to guess. This was fun to try in our office, but we realised that the time it took to correctly guess a word was way too long and actually quite difficult, making the task unsuitable for an exhibition setting. We needed to ensure that the interactions with Olga were kept short and easy, so we chose a different approach. This time, we kept the interaction short with a simple yes or no question, leaving AI to generate the reward based on the answer received. To access Olga's mystic powers, visitors scanned a QR code which opened WhatsApp, where they were greeted with a message from Olga, asking if they would like a fortune. WhatsApp automatically includes the name and phone number of each user, which meant that we were able to personalise both the conversation and the reward with the name of every user who interacted with Olga. When a visitor responded positively to having the fortune read, Olga would be prompted to print a ticket from a cleverly hidden printer below her face. Each ticket was one of a kind and featured a personalised retail-themed fortune accompanied by a unique picture generated by OpenAI's DALL-E. This small souvenir proved popular with passers-by and acted as a physical reminder of Altered's stand and the information provided, as well as contact details to reach them in the future. More recently, we sponsored the Wandsworth Swimming Club's Open Gala in June. We again looked at the Love Machine and Olga for inspiration. As this was an event attended by kids and their parents, we knew that we would need something more family-friendly. We needed to make interacting with the machine engaging enough for kids in order to keep their attention and easy enough so that we could give out as many capsules as possible. We swapped the AI functions with a little game, and Penny, our penguin-themed machine, was the result. To receive a reward, users scanned a QR code using a smartphone which opened an in-browser mini-game. Players just had to drag the fish onto the penguin to feed her. Once fed, Penny dispensed a capsule reward whilst the player was prompted to engage with our social channels. Having learnt from Olga that inedible rewards work just as well as edible ones, we leaned into the theme of a lucky dip and diversified the rewards available, including snack vouchers, small toys and sweets. Once again, our method of rewarding users led to repeat visits, interesting feedback and most importantly, the increased exposure of our products during the World Para Swim Championships in July. During PR and influencer marketing events, it is understood that influencers are invited to help promote the brand to their following, but adding an interactive element with branded features helps to increase exposure and pique the interest of each influencer's audience, all whilst providing memorable experience and a gift for the influencer. A selfie machine equipped with an AI-powered facial analysis model can be used to encourage influencers to interact and provide branded content for them to share on their social media channels. To get the machine to vend a prize, influencers enter our Smile contest and take a selfie of them smiling, which is then analysed by our AI model before accepting or rejecting the photo based on the degree of smiling that the model was able to recognise. The threshold is set low enough to ensure that everyone can take part. Once accepted, a unique filter is applied to the selfie with the branding of the company and a relevant hashtag to help track engagement. Influencers are then prompted to share the selfie on their social media stories. Clicking the share button instructs the selfie machine to vend a prize, giving the influencer a small token of appreciation for their efforts while supplying the brand with trackable user-generated content. Smaller rewards can still lead to big changes in behaviour. Many brands and businesses want to increase the size and scope of their mailing list, but a common hurdle is getting people to sign up. New sign-ups can be encouraged by offering a simple and immediate reward for doing so. A chocolate or other physical reward could be accompanied by traditional digital marketing offers like free shipping or access to exclusive discounts and deals. It's not always about changing the consumer's mind in any big way, but just about using an instant reward to prompt an immediate email sign-up, social share, or other desired action. We hope that we have shown how our machines can be easily adapted to suit different situations and needs. The ease of adapting, the method of interaction, the appearance, and the rewards on offer mean the possibilities are endless. And this is the bit where we open it up to you. We've had lots of fun thinking of new ways to implement these interactive experiences, but the real question is, what would you do?